Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to speed up your Windows 11 performance. So first, uh, click on Windows plus R key together and then you will get this pop-up actually. So now here you have to type percentage then temp. Okay, sorry, percentage temp and percentage. Then just simply click on enter and then you will see uh, some temporary file here. So now you have to delete this. So now click on Control plus A together and just click on delete. Or you can do like right click on it and you will see delete. Click on delete and just skip this file. You can't delete this file actually. So if you can't delete this, then just skip on it. Skip on it and then again uh, click on Windows plus R together and then you will see this pop up again and then type here preface preface here and just click on enter and click on continue. Then again you will see some temporary file. Click on Control plus A together and then just click on delete. So guys, if you can't delete some file, just skip. Right click on it, do this for all current item, right click on it and then just skip this file. You can delete this actually. So now you will see recycle bin here all file that you just deleted. So now just right click on it and then click on empty recycle bin and click on yes. We deleted all temporary file. And one more thing you can do, if you have any unnecessary application software in your laptop or PC, you should delete those. Then your performance will be more better. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure please subscribe my channel and give a like to this video. Thank you so much.